Hello everyone, I am with friends here, just doing a little get together, but guess what, they don't want to come in my video. So because my channel is about me, myself and I will just do me, okay? They don't have to be here because my channel is Charms Lifestyle, so they don't have to be in my video. I'm just giving you a little of me being here today. More of this, you know. I'm eating sushi. Sushi, I'm eating. Everything I eat today, I'm going to show now.
Your wife.
Them no want in my video.
No, nobody want to be in a video because them said that you should be present at the birthday and not on YouTube.
This is what I'm drinking, guys. I'm not sure what it is. Panache. No alcohol, but it is giving me a red stripe beer taste. But it's good. It's real good. So at this moment, this is what I am drinking. One more time, guys. I'm having my meal now, and I'm having octopus again with pasta. Pasta, octopus. Oh my, it's good. Look at me having this meal once more. The same friends. You remember those last friends that I tell you prepared me my meal? It's them again. Octopus and pasta. Let's enjoy this time together. Both of us will enjoy. All of us will enjoy together.
Elle a, dans 4 mois, elle a eu presque 700 subscribers. Ah oui? Bah oui. To YouTube. I tell them in 4 months you get 700 subscribers. Ah oui, congratulations. Mazal tov.
Merci beaucoup.
Yes. Elle bosse tous les jours sur ça parce qu'à partir de 1000 subscribers, elle a 4000 watch time. L'heure de regarder, mais elle est payée par YouTube. Elle pas de publicité.
Oh my God, this is so good.
Elle bosse pour arriver à toutes les vues. Mais il y a des trucs It's Jewish language to say congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
Mazal.
Oh my God, thank you. Guys, they don't want to come on camera. They don't want to come on camera.
Tu me donnes la dernière goutte de ton prosecco, Annick, c'est bon?
And as you are hearing,
Du prosecco?
it's all French around
Vas-y,
me.
donne-moi ton verre, je partage, j'ai pas bu dans mon verre, il est neuf.
C'est trop bon le prosecco. Une gorgée. Moi, franchement, je préfère.
This is
Ouais,
good.
l'apérole.
On a préparé aujourd'hui.
Really good.
Je le dis au bar, l'apérole.
Le petit sushi là, le sushi. C'est ça. Maintenant, je prépare un peu. Non, les pâtes. Non, le sauce. Ah, le sauce.
I will have to try and cook this one myself.
Le plat, c'est une tuerie.
Mais mine de rien, mine de rien quand même, ça prend du temps. Hein,